So 12 divided by 3, the first question from our assignment. This is pretty straightforward. Divide 12 oranges by 3 people. How much does each of them get? Each one of them will have 4 oranges. Now, going by the rules to the right, we are going to say, okay, divide the numbers. 12 divided by 4. So 12 divided by 4. Sorry, 12 divided by 3 gives 4. Then you multiply the signs. Plus multiply by plus. We have a plus. Assign it to your answer. Plus 4. Or simply 4. The next question is minus 12 divided by 4. Minus 12 over 4. 12 divided by 4. Oh. Divided by 3. Sorry. I'm getting worked up. 12 divided by 3. Gives 4. Minus multiply by plus gives minus. So our answer is going to be minus 4. Okay. The last question in the list. Minus 12 divided by minus 3. As usual, 12 divided by 3 gives 4. Minus multiply by minus gives a plus. So our answer is plus 4. Now let's look at the summary of our solutions. The summary of our solutions. So you see, as you can see here, (12 divided by 3, 4. Minus 12 divided by 3 gives minus 4. Minus 12 divided by minus 3 gives 4. Despite having the same values, 12 and 3, the results differ. Hence, once again, we can say that the results do not depend on the numbers, but on the sign of the numbers. So that clinches it. But we are not done yet. In the next video, we will look at some different aspects of division. See you there.